Hey folks, hungry but short on time? Let's fix that in just 5 minutes. Life is hectic, I get it. But who says you can't eat well and fast? Today I've got 2 super easy recipes that'll save your day. First up, the 5-minute veggie stir fry. Just toss your favorite veggies in a hot pan, add soy sauce and a dash of honey, stir, and voila, healthy and delicious. Next, the quick chickpea salad. Rinse a can of chickpeas, mix in chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and a squeeze of lemon. Season with salt, pepper, and a bit of olive oil. Done and dusted. There you go, folks. 2 scrumptious meals in just 5 minutes. Keep calm and cook on. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more speedy recipes.